Alright, so this is just the second video for that 2008 Acura RDX where the turbo wheel went into the exhaust. So, well, we pulled the catalytic converter because we wanted to get everything out. We didn't want to do anything, so yeah. Come on, see all the chunks? Yep, there it is. That's what we were looking for. So, there's the turbo wheel. And it's pretty chewed up, and that shaft just broke right off. So we're gonna have to clean this out really good, and hopefully it's still good. But you can see all the shavings in the bottom of it. So we'll clean it up, put it back on, and put a new turbo in it. See how she goes.